In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate Excel charts in PowerPoint and save time in your presentations. Whether you're a professional looking to enhance your reporting visuals or a student aiming to sharpen your presentation skills, these tips will surely help you deliver more engaging content. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring everything is clear and straightforward. Let's begin by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you have your presentation file ready. If you don't, go ahead and open an existing presentation where you'd like to add some dynamic flair, or of course create a new one. Once you have PowerPoint open, navigate to the presentation that you want to work on. If this is part of a bigger project, locating your file might be the first task. Otherwise, if you're starting fresh, setting up your slide is your initial canvas to play with. Next, click on the pie chart within your slide. If you don't have a chart in your slide yet, remember you can easily import one from Excel or create one directly within PowerPoint itself. Clicking on your pie chart will activate it, and you'll notice the chart tools appearing at the top. These tools are essential as they offer you a range of options to enhance your chart's visual impact. Now head on over to the animation tab located on the ribbon at the top of the screen. This tab is the gateway to breathing life into your presentations. Clicking here will display the full suite of animation tools available in PowerPoint. Animations can significantly enhance engagement by drawing attention to key data points or trends as you present. From the drop-down menu that appears when you click on the Animation tab, you'll see a variety of animation options. Here you can select the animation style that you feel best suits your presentation and your pie chart. Options range from simple fades to more dynamic spins or zooms. Remember, the choice of animation should align with the tone and context of your presentation. Sometimes, less is more. After choosing an animation, you can further personalize it by accessing the Effect Options button. This feature allows you to customize how your animation unfolds. For instance, you can choose to animate each portion of the pie chart separately, enhancing clarity, or opt for other nuances that will accentuate your data presentation. And there you have it. By following these simple yet effective steps, you can transform a static pie chart into an animated, engaging, and informative element of your slide deck. As you practice and experiment, you'll find animations to be a powerful tool in your presentation toolkit. Thanks for joining me today, and happy presenting.